When it comes to your retirement, making the right decisions can be overwhelming, especially when it involves your 401k. One question many retirees face is whether to roll over their 401k into an IRA. So, what are the pros and cons of doing this? By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what to expect and how this decision can impact your financial future. First, let's talk about the advantages of rolling over your 401k into an IRA. One of the most significant benefits is greater control over your investment choices. With a 401k, you're limited to the plan's investment options. But with an IRA, you can choose from a broader range of stocks, bonds, and even alternative assets, including Gold IRAs. This increased flexibility can make a huge difference when trying to align your portfolio with your retirement goals. Another advantage is the potential for lower fees. 401k plans often have higher administrative fees that can eat into your retirement savings over time. With an IRA, you can shop around for providers who offer lower cost options. Lower fees mean more money stays in your pocket, working for your future. One thing many retirees don't realize is that rolling over your 401k into an IRA could allow you to consolidate your retirement accounts. If you have multiple 401ks from different employers, moving them into a single IRA simplifies your finances. It's easier to manage, track, and plan for your retirement goals when everything's in one place. But what are the downsides? The first con is that you may lose access to some 401k benefits. For example, some 401k plans offer access to loans, which are not available with IRAs. So, if that's something you think you might need in the future, it's worth considering before making a move. Another downside is that you might lose certain creditor protections. 401ks have strong protections under federal law, but IRAs don't offer the same level of protection in some cases. If protecting your assets from creditors is a priority, you may want to weigh that factor carefully. Now, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, it's worth mentioning that many retirees are turning to Gold IRAs to safeguard their savings. If you want to learn why thousands of Americans are opening Gold IRAs, click the first link in the description for a free guide that will show you how to do it and why it's an option you might want to consider. Returning to the 401k rollover, one thing you should definitely know is that rolling over to an IRA could potentially help with taxes. A traditional IRA will keep your taxes deferred until retirement, just like your 401k, but with more investment options. If you're considering rolling over your 401k, it's also a good idea to talk to a financial advisor to make sure it's the right move for your unique situation. You might also wonder if you should go for a Roth IRA instead of a traditional IRA when rolling over your 401k. The key difference with a Roth IRA is that you pay taxes upfront, but your withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. If you're looking for long-term growth and want to avoid paying taxes on your earnings later in life, a Roth IRA could be an excellent choice, but make sure you're in a position to pay those upfront taxes. In comparison, Gold IRAs have become an increasingly popular option for retirees. While you can roll your 401k into a traditional or Roth IRA, a Gold IRA offers a way to protect your savings against inflation, market volatility, and economic uncertainty. If you have $100k or more in your 401k or IRA, or even $5 in savings, this is the perfect time to consider diversifying into precious metals as part of your strategy. If you're ready to take the next step in securing your retirement, don't wait. Click the link in the description to access your free guide to the best Gold IRA options for American retirees with $100k plus in your IRA or 401k, or up to $5 in savings. Don't leave your retirement to chance. Take action today.